Hello guys, nice to greet you again. Let's start our English lesson. Today's theme is the arts. Learning objectives. Use speaking and listening skills to solve problems. Use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences and feelings. Understand specific information and detail in extended text on a range. Use a growing range of vocabulary which is appropriate to topic and genre, and which is spelled accurately. At the end of lesson, all learners will be able to identify specific topic vocabulary studied in class with some support. Most learners will be able to know general information about the art. Some learners will be able to identify specific topic vocabulary studied in class without any support. Now let's watch the video about the arts.
The arts. What's your favorite type of art? Do you like films, sculptures, paintings, books, or even architecture? Let's take a look at some famous examples of different types of arts. Avatar was directed by James Cameron in 2009. It was a very popular film with amazing special effects. The film made the most money of all time and won 3 Academy Awards. Michelangelo is one of the most famous sculptors, painters, and architects of all time. He sculpted the statue David between 1501 and 1504, before he was even 30 years old. You can see it at the Galleria dell'Accademia in Florence, Italy. The Bayturek Tower in the capital city of Kazakhstan was designed by the British architect Norman Foster. The 105-meter-tall monument is based on a folk tale about a tree of life, Bayturek, and a magic bird called Samruk. Café Terrace at Night was painted by Vincent van Gogh in 1888. Van Gogh was a Dutch painter who, even though he didn't make much money from his art in his lifetime, went on to become one of the most influential painters of all time. Moby Dick was written by Herman Melville in 1851. The novel tells the story of Captain Ahab, who is looking for revenge on Moby Dick, a huge white whale that bit off his leg on a previous voyage. Are you familiar with all these? Which one is your favorite?
Okay, check your understanding of the video by doing these activities. Fill in the topic words. A learner completes the sentences according to the video. Avatar was directed by James Cameron in 2009. David was sculptured by Michelangelo between 1501 and 1504. The Bayturek Tower in Nur-Sultan, the capital city of Kazakhstan, was designed by architect Norman Foster. Café Terrace at Night was painted by Vincent van Gogh in 1888. Moby Dick was written by Herman Melville in 1851. Perfect. Which art form does each picture show? A learner chooses a right answer. Right is green, wrong is red. Start. David is a sculpture. Yes, you are right. Avatar is a science fiction film. Perfect. Café Terrace at Night is an oil painting. Super. Moby Dick is a classic novel. Great job, thanks. The Bayrak Tower is a famous building. Super! Thanks! Listen to the text to identify art forms. Consolidate comprehension of the text. Order information. Michelangelo was an Italian sculptor, painter, architect, and poet in the Renaissance period. He lived from 1475–1564. He is considered to be one of the greatest artists of all time. His two most famous works are the sculptures Pieta and David. Avatar was a science fiction film from 2019. It took almost 10 years to make and was written, directed, and co-produced by James Cameron. It starred Sam Worthington, Zoe Saldana, and Sigourney Weaver. It is set in the 22nd century of the planet of Pandora. It used cutting-edge technology and was the first film to make $2 billion. The Bayrak Tower. Bayrak is a monument and observation tower in Nur-Sultan, the capital city of Kazakhstan. A tourist attraction popular with foreign visitors and native Kazakhs. It is emblematic of the city, which became capital of the country in 1997. The tower is considered a symbol of post-independence Kazakhstan. Vincent van Gogh was Dutch post-impressionist painter. He lived from 1853–1890. He was unappreciated when he was alive, but he is now one of the most well-known and most appreciated artists of all time. He produced more than 2,100 works of art. His most famous works are The Starry Night, Sunflowers, and Bedroom in Arles. Moby Dick was a novel written in 1851 by Herman Melville about a sea captain and his pursuit of great white whale called Moby Dick. It is narrated by a crew member and also it was not appreciated when it was written. It is now considered to be a great American novel. According to this text, let's do some activities. Which this paragraph contains the following information? Write the correct letter A to E. Super! Thanks a lot. Click true or false for these sentences. Yes. Great job. Put the sentences in the correct order. Great. Yes. Perfect. Thanks a lot. Dear students, you've done great job. Thanks a lot. You are super. Goodbye.